Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language within the Bifrost Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bifrost Wallet app and then log into your account using your PIN code or your biometrics. And then you will be taken into your homepage or your dashboard where you will be shown all of your assets. Now by default, the application will follow the language that your phone is set with. So you can also change the settings for the language by changing your phone language. But if you only want this application to be used with a different language, then simply from the homepage, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner, which will take you into the settings page. Now from the settings option, just scroll down and you will find the language option. Tap on this language option and you will be able to choose from the various different languages available within the Bifrost Wallet app. Just tap on your desired language, and as soon as you tap on it, the interface for the application will be changed to the language that you just selected. And you can come back to this menu anytime and simply tap on the language option once again to change into any language that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language within the Bifrost Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.